Hello. Introduce to you today installation video of our MSTI S8. First, let's check the accessories of the lock. See if it is complete. Then face the door according to the opening diagram. Make an opening on it. Then we measure the thickness of the door. Choose your own matching lock body. The first step is to install the lock cylinder first. After installing the lock cylinder, we install the lock cylinder cover. After installing the lock cylinder cover, let's test this. Is the key switch smooth? After the above steps are installed, we start by installing this front handle. Next, we install this handle. According to the thickness of the door, cut this square rod. After cutting, put in. Fix this base again. After fixing the base, put your hand in. Tighten again. After installing the handle, to confirm whether the downward pressure is smooth. After installing the handle, the same is true for the rear lock cylinder cover we install. Install this base first. Screw this fixing screw again. After installation, after the lock cylinder cover, we are going to test. Is this anti-lock normal? Is it smooth? After the front panel is installed. Fixed base plate behind this. We need to get this thread through first. And this thread goes through first. Then put this fixed base plate. Put it in. Also start connecting the cable. This is the connecting cable of the lock body. And then this is a connecting cable for the front and rear panels. Department. After the wires are connected, we will fix the rear panel first. After the hole is aligned, install some fixing screws. After installing the rear panel, we put in the battery. Then install this display screen. After the lock is installed, we are going to test. Check if the switch is normal.